Hello YouTube, you're welcome to Dark Code of Technologies, and please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe by hitting notification bell and also like and comment so we can improve on our featuring method, or we know your own opinion about how we're going. And lastly, don't forget to share this video to your loved ones or to your fellow mates so we can all be on the same move. So today welcome to my Photoshop tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can reproduce what is on my screen, as you can see. So basically, for us to move on with this our tutorial, you will need two images, that is the background and your photo. So I have a folder here, and it contains the two images I'm going to be using for this video. So to begin, we're going to drag this photo to our Photoshop right here. So we're going to copy it to this area. We're going to reduce this, zoom it out. So first thing first, we are to get rid of our background. So please, if you haven't watched my videos on how to remove backgrounds and actually I've changed, and then you can go back and watch my previous video. The link is in description. So in this video you will basically learn two things: how to reproduce this and also how to get rid of the background, so and replace them. Right here we're going to go and we're going to replace this background. So go to your tool and click the quick selection tool. We're going to increase the size of our brush, so you can increase this right here, and it's at 30 pixels. So I'm going to quickly mark my subject, and quickly mark my subject, and I'm going to resume this out. Okay, so I'm going to click on the select and mask. So right here I'm going to increase the smoothness to about 20. I'm going to click on OK. So right here you can get rid of this background by clicking on the select the mask, or I can simply duplicate this by pressing the Ctrl G to get rid of this background. So I'm going to get my original photo and I'm going to get the background moved, but I prefer we do it this way by using the layer mask. So from here we are good to go. So what proceeds is we need to import our background into our Photoshop. So we're going to go to this folder and we're going to carry this background right into our Photoshop platform. We're going to drop it here, and we're going to click on this, and here we're going to size this background to fit our image. So I'm going to hold my shift key, now extend this way. So for us to get a clearer view of both background and image, we can decide to reduce the opacity of this background. So from here you can now fit. Okay, so I think it's perfect here. So we're going to click on this, and simply we're going to increase our opacity back to 100, and from here we're going to carry this image to the top, letting the background behind. And to get this image behind the fence or behind the wires, we're just simply gonna make sure this our image is selected, this layer image is selected, and we're gonna go to this and we're gonna set this to dark color. So either of these will go. So multiple color brand, that's white or what. So we're gonna fake dark color, or you can take the darken. So you fake the darken or the dark color, either of the ways is gonna move. So we're just gonna fake the darken, or let's do the dark. Okay. So from here I think it's perfect. If we can get to see this, you're gonna see that it's actually the same, but one thing left is we're supposed to resize this image so we get rid of this background here. So we're simply gonna go to our crop tool, we're gonna crop this so we can get the shape of this image, and click here, right here, and boom, we get it. So we're right here, and if we want to compare the two, you will bear witness with me that they are all the same. So I think there's come to an end to our video, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you get my updates, and also comment and like if this video actually helped you. Don't forget to share so you get us going. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.